Hi kids, did you know that your brain is divided into two halves? These halves are called the left brain and the right brain. Each side of the brain has different functions. The left brain is responsible for things like math, reasoning, language, logic, sequential thinking, details, facts. The right brain is responsible for things like creativity, imagination, emotions, holistic thinking, spatial awareness, pattern recognition, intuition. Both sides of your brain work together to help you think, feel, and move. So next time you're feeling creative, remember that it's thanks to your right brain. Here are some examples of how the left and right brain work together. When you read a book, the left brain helps you understand the words and the right brain helps you visualize the story. When you solve a math problem, the left brain helps you break down the problem into smaller steps and the right brain helps you see the big picture. When you play a sport, the left brain helps you coordinate your movements and the right brain helps you understand the game strategy. The left and right brain are constantly working together to help you make sense of the world around you. So next time you're doing something, take a moment to think about how your left and right brain are working together to help you succeed.